Well, hey there, viewers. D-Doc here again. Well, let's see, it's Saturday, August 28th. That time of year, I'm back up at Randolph, Nebraska for the A-Bait of Nebraska District 15 annual fun run. Giving you a little bit of a episode of Doc's Solo Adventures. Kind of out on my own this week. Brother's bike had some problems, so he stayed home, gonna get his bike fixed. So I decided to come out on my own. But yeah, here at the city park, Randolph, Nebraska, brought my little tent back. Got a big tarp because it's supposed to rain anytime mid-afternoon, clear over in tomorrow morning. So got a big tarp over there so I stay dry. But hey, you know what it means when I'm up here every year. That's right, got a selection of pine cones. We're going to walk right over here to the local creek and do our best to propagate the species. They've had a couple of good rainstorms here lately, but the stream is down to just barely. I can hear it from where I'm standing. It's down there. Somewhere right down in there. So hey, let's propagate the tree species here. See if we can get them in the water. Let them float down to the south. A 1, a 2. Lift off. Ooh, that's close. Might have been a splash down there. Let's go for another one. A 1, a 2. Oh yeah, I heard that one splash down. Travel, young seed. Go make a tree somewhere else. Bring us oxygen. 2. Whoop, that one might have got hung up in the weeds. One more. 1, a 2. Yep, I heard that one splash down. Travel downstream. Make a tree somewhere. Give us oxygen. We need it. Pure air. So yep. Gonna have a nice fun run this afternoon with District 15 A-Bait of Nebraska, of which I'm a member. Provided the rain stays away. And later on, we'll come back to the city park here. Way over there is the swimming pool, which is drained. And on the other side of the swimming pool, bathrooms, and shower house, we'll have our rodeo games. Should be a good time. But hey, I want to thank you for coming along, watching and commenting on the videos. This is Doc. Catch you later.